Welcome back. In the previous videos, we learned how to solve simultaneous equations using the elimination method. We first looked at a question where the variables cancel straight away, and then we solved another question where we had to multiply one equation before eliminating a variable. This time, we're going to solve a question where we'll have to multiply both equations before we can eliminate a variable. Let's look at the example together. We have 2x plus 3y equals 13 and 3x minus 4y equals minus 6. Same as before, our goal is to find values of x and y that satisfy both equations. The first step is to eliminate one variable. This time, we're going to eliminate x as it will give us smaller numbers which are easy to manage. Always try to make things easy for yourself. If we look at the coefficients of x, we have 2 and 3. Since they are different, we can't eliminate x straight away. So, we'll multiply both equations by something to make the coefficients of x the same. The lowest common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So, I'll multiply the first equation by 3 to make the 2x into 6x. Remember, every term in the equation must be multiplied. This gives us 6x plus 9y equals 39. Next, I'll multiply the second equation by 2. This will make the 3x into 6x. Again, every term must be multiplied. This gives us 6x minus 8y equals minus 12. Now our equations are 6x plus 9y equals 39 and 6x minus 8y equals minus 12. Since both equations now have positive 6x, we'll subtract the second equation from the first. The trick here is to change the signs of all the terms of the second equation. Plus 6x becomes minus 6x, minus 8y, plus 8y, and minus 12 becomes plus 12. Now, subtracting 6x from 6x gives us 0, so the x terms cancel out. We're left with 9y plus 8y equals 17y. 39 plus 12 becomes 51. Remember, subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive. This leaves us with 17y equals 51. Now divide both sides by 17. This gives us y equals 3. We've now found the value of y. Next, we substitute y back into one of the original equations. I'll use the first equation. 2x plus 3y equals 13. Replacing y with 3 gives 2x plus 3 multiplied by 3 equals 13. That's 2x plus 9 equals 13. Subtract 9 from both sides. 2x equals 4. Now divide both sides by 2. This gives us x equals 2. We've now found both variables. But before we finish, let's check our answer by substituting our values back into the original equations. As we progress, we will do this step mentally. For the first equation, 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 3 equals 13. That's 4 plus 9 equals 13. Correct. Now let's check the second equation. 3 multiplied by 2 minus 4 multiplied by 3 equals minus 6. That's 6 minus 12 equals minus 6. Also correct. So our final answer is x equals 2 and y equals 3. The important lesson from today's example is that sometimes you need to multiply both equations before you can eliminate a variable. These questions are very prominent in exams, so having this technique at your fingertips is a must. Choose the lowest common multiple, multiply both equations carefully, and then eliminate the variable just as we've done here. Try to keep things as simple as possible for yourself. Substitute back and find the other variable. Finally, check your answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care.